finally here. My RGB stuff. So what we have here is like some nice LED strip. We have of course some LED fans, the RGB controller. I chose the NZXT, and I needed like a special cable that's in this box. Oh yes, this is an RGB splitter. We have already a fan splitter and this special little cable that allows me to use this NZXT controller because they have like a special connection. Without further ado, just take the PC and try to put everything inside. I don't know if this will work. This is my very first attempt into building like my own RGB PC. Let's see how this goes, and especially I'm doing it like very weird because I try to use this because I really like the software from NZXT. I like the cam software that allows you like so many things. So that's why I chose this and nothing else. And we're gonna just see if this will work. So here it is again, the good old PC, the very nice one. So what we have to do now is open everything up again, like this. Boom, that goes so easy with this one. There we go with that. Oof, look at that, look at that. When was I in my last build? Like 2 weeks ago? Just 1 week, and we already, you see, oh, this is working. That's crazy. Or maybe you don't see it. Oh yes, here you see it. There's like a lot of dust. Oof. I think I have to clean my PC more often. So we have here the front. We will now exchange them with the new ones. I think the easiest way is to remove the side panel as well. This will make everything a little bit more easy. Let's do that. But before we take the old fans out, let's open the new ones. We have the Alpenföhn Wing Boost 3. Addressable LED lighting. Let's see. I heard that they're supposed to be pretty good. So those are the fans. Let's see how they look. Oof, beautiful white. Oh, that looks so nice. They will fit perfectly in here. So you see the RGB is like here, and I think we have like one RGB layer that is down or on the outside, so you can see it on the outside as well. Like here, for example. But it's so easy with this. Yeah, we got it. Nice. Okay, first one. Let's get the second one as well. Let's unplug them. Only question, where are they? The book is pretty narrow, but we can still get it. The bottom one. Nice. Here we go. Okay, nice. So those are the old ones. And now the same thing again. Let's put the new ones inside the case. Is that for fans? Probably. Okay, let's use that for now. Let's put them inside there. Okay, that's number one. Number one looks good. Okay, that looks good. And the last one should be like on top. And here we go. Nice, that looks so beautiful. Oh, hard. Here we go. So we have a beautiful front And put it back in the thing. Nice. Make some space. There we go. Oh, it's inside. This is the last fan. Here we have the last one. Like here. Nice. Use. So nice. Now we have a full white build of that. So the next thing we need are those RGB strips. Ooh. And they are... that smells pretty cheap again, but they look pretty nice. At least I hope they will look pretty nice in the end. Ooh. Oh! That's nice. Guys, I have no idea. Okay, so they work like this. Oof, that's very hard. That's very hard to bend. There we go. Okay, so we have like a nice corner. Can we put this in here? Yeah. But it's not. Here it goes. Nice. That's actually pretty nice. Let's take this away. Take that away. Nice. There we go. The piece is not out yet. But now we have it. We got it! Okay. So we place this inside of this thing. Now, let's take this, put it back in. It's in there, which is amazing. So that should be like be all glowing then. Here we go with the last piece. Beautiful. So that looks pretty clean. I like it. You don't see it right now. So the last step is this, and that. Those controllers. And let's see if we can figure it out. Oh my god. We don't need this anymore. This is also like a fan controller. So we will take off this one, use this one, and then we have the RGB splitter as well. And the connection, so we can use like any type of RGB. No, I opened it. Nice. That's the thing. That's the whole controller. And we have some cables. And probably some glue. Those are magnets. That's what I need. Boom, put this like... Hey, stop it. Or should we go like this? I'm happy with that one. 4. What is this? USB. This needs to go in the USB port. This needs to go in the power supply. So we take this one off. Put that one in. Very easy, very beautiful. And this one will get from the bottom to the USB port. But where is this cable? We need this cable. Because this cable will control our RGB. The only problem that I have, we have ARGB. Which means the light connection is that one. So that one goes inside here. And from that we have like now the ARGB connection. So we put it back in here somewhere where we have like space. Like this probably. And we have the ARGB connector. This one goes in here. like this. Really hope it will work that way. It does not fit, what the? Now we got it, okay. It's in. This needs to be connected with that thing. Nice. We need like all the others now as well. Nice. Are we missing something? Way too many cables, but okay. This USB thing. There. So we open this up again. We dig it out. Like this. Nice. Got it! And close that. It's not good, it's not beautiful, but it's doing its job. So guys, we are done here. I don't want to, we just close that thing and then I don't want to see it ever again. This is looking terrible. I don't know, we just take... We try it again. Oof, oof. There is some pressure here. I can tell that. There is some pressure here, but I mean, it's closed. It's okay. I can live with that. And we should be good. Let's at the window. Here we are. Let's remove the foil. There we go. Okay guys, let me show it to you. Let's turn it back on and let's show you what we did in 3, 2, 1. Nice. Very, very, very beautiful. The fans are glowing. The LED stripe is glowing. The one hidden is glowing as well. And the front is glowing like this. Beautiful. I really like it. That is some crazy RGB stuff happening here. So, another success. I think the next thing that we have to do is like the cable management in the back, but that's for another time. But for now, this looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. It looks amazing. Everything worked how I thought it will work. So, see you next time. Bye bye!